Hello everyone, in front of me is ZTE Blade A71 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. At first you have to open your phone dealer, then go to keypad and let's enter the first code that you can use, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, this one will provide you with device information along with your IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK to exit. That would be all for this first code. Then the second one that you can use here is *pound 426 pound*. And here we've got the FCM diagnostic mode, which includes events and status. Actually, we've got no service here. However, if you have it displayed, you'll be able to check both of them. And also, whenever you want to enroll advanced view, just tap on more and click on advanced view and you'll have a bit more info here. So that's it for this one. And another code that you can use is *pound 225 pound*. Actually, it doesn't want to work. However, this one is for calendar info. It should work. Let me try it one more time. It's most probably due to the lack of my SIM card here. But if you have it, this one will provide you with the all calendar details like celebration events, and it is not connected only with this device's internal storage calendar, but also with all accounts that you've got included here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.